Giancarlo D'Andrea is my name.
My name is Vladimir Shapovalov.
So my name is Carsten Neumann.
My name is Christian Walter.
I'm a neurosurgeon.
And I'm a spinal surgeon.
I'm trauma surgeon.
I'm a spine surgeon from Tübingen.
Very useful for me because I can talk with another doctors.
The Spine Academy meeting is impressive for being international.
An advantage of this meeting is especially the exchange with other colleagues.
The most beautiful benefit from this meeting is talking about the cases, difficulties, and the revision surgery.
It was a very formative, very educational session in which you could propose your idea for a patient, for a case.
In the different countries, especially in the countries being on the edge, they are more conservative treatments due to the lack of implants and the cost of the implants. So here economic reasons really influence the medicine.
The most profound perception for me today was the international aspect, and that colleagues from all around the world have similar problems and sometimes a different solution.
I recommend do meeting more often.
We recommend this event to my colleagues because I think that you can have a good take-home message from this event. It's very appropriate.